Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram login error challenge required. So guys, when you have login your Instagram on iPhone or on Android phone, and after login you will see this type of problem that is challenge required. I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, after this you have to open your settings here. From here you have to check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected with strong internet connection, and after doing this you have to go back, click on general. From here you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this you have to reset your network settings. Maybe there is network problem on your iPhone. So guys, after reset your network setting, you have to go back and guys select your region according to your country. So guys, if you have selected wrong region, you have to select your correct region, and after doing this you have to go back. And guys, you need to check your date and time. Make sure that you have set your date and time on automatically. And guys, after doing this you have to go back. So guys, after this you have to click on screen time. You need to scroll it down. From here you have to click on content and privacy restrictions and turn off all the restrictions from your iPhone. And guys, after doing this you have to go back. And guys, at last you have to open your general, scroll it below. From here you have to click on iPhone storage. And guys, now you have to wait. And guys, you need to scroll it down. From here you have to open your Instagram and offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again and log in again. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all these methods, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open an internet browser. And guys, after this here you need to search Instagram, and guys, simply you have to click on login. And guys, you need to log in your Instagram in your web browser. And guys, after login successfully, you have to go back and log in again in your Instagram app, and after this your login error will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.